In this video, we will write a Python function that determines if a given integer number is prime or not. So let's get started. To begin with, I'm going to define a function, and I can call this isPrime, that takes in a given integer number as a parameter. And now to check if a number is prime, I need to determine if the given number is divisible only by the number itself or the number 1. And to do that, I need to go through each number below my given number and determine if it's divisible by that or not. So to do that, I can use a for loop. And I can actually say for x in range. So I'm going to use this range function, as you see by the little window that pops up. I'm going to provide a start and a stopping point. And so my starting point will be 2, and my stopping point will be the number provided. And so what this does is it's going to go through and it's going to set this x variable to 2, and then to 3, and then to 4, so on and so forth until it reaches this ending number. But it won't include the ending number. It's just going to go up to it. So now I need to determine if this number variable can divide cleanly into my given number. And to do that, I can just simply say if num mod x equals 0, then I know it's not prime, and I can just return false. Otherwise, I just need to check if the given number, the number passed in, is greater than 1. And so I can say return num greater than 1. Alright, so let's try calling it, and I can say print is prime. Let me pass in a number. Let me do 3, which is a prime number, and then let me do print is prime again, and we pass in 6, which isn't a prime number. Let me try running it, and we get true and false. Let me try some different numbers. Let me do 90. Let me do 83. So this would be false and true, and we get false and true. Alright, that's pretty much it. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have a prompt you'd like me to try, please leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for your time.